how to use gift card on Roblox. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to first log into your account in Roblox and you're going to click on our URL over here and we're going to add redeem, then click on enter, and we will be redirected to the page that would allow us to redeem Roblox codes as you can see here. So simply enter your gift card code in this area, click on the checkbox over here and click on redeem. If you have purchased some online gift cards, you will be emailed the code. But if you have a physical copy of the gift card, you would need to scratch the back part of your card and you're just simply going to enter or type into your form over here the code that you will be able to find at the back of your card. After all that, simply click on redeem and you should be able to receive the value of which the gift card is going to be equal to. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.